The ULTA Soothing Skin Savers Kit is available now for $30. It does have a $139 value with 14 skincare must-haves. If I do happen to get this in PR, I will do a full review for you. Find your favorite skincare products in the Beauty Finds by Ulta Beauty Soothing Skincare Savers. So now the kit will include a Belif Aqua Bomb Sleeping Mask, 0.33 ounces, a Clarins Total Eye Lift, 0.1 ounce, a Dermalogical Daily Microfoliant, 0.14 ounce, First Aid Beauty KP Bump Eraser Body Scrub, 1 ounce, Fresh Floral Recovery Calming Mask, 0.5 ounce, josiemaran Whipped Argan Oil Body Butter, Be True Unscented, 2 ounces, Murad Rapid Dark Spot Correcting Serum, 0.17 ounce, Skyniceland Hydro Cooling Firming Eye Gels, 1 pair, Tula 24/7 Moisturizer Hydrating Day and Night Cream, that is 0.529 ounces, peachandlily Wild Dew Treatment Essence, 1.01 ounce, Strivectin TL Advanced Tightening Neck Cream Plus, 0.25 ounces, Jack Black Intense Therapy Lip Balm SPF 25 Natural Mint and Shea Butter, 0.1 ounce, Elemis Pro Collagen Naked Cleansing Balm, 0.3 ounces, mariobadescu Facial Spray with Aloe Antigens and Coconut Water, 1 ounce. Let me know if you're thinking about picking this up. I hope you have a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.